Top 10 cheapest vintage cars. Number 1, Chevrolet 4Doctor sedan. 1951 year of issue. '51 Chevrolet 4-door Deluxe. Clear title. I started it, ran, and drove it a half-mile and back in August. Had been stored inside for the last 30 years. Ran it off of a gas bottle under the hood, no brakes. Has some rust through starting, but not a bad car yet. Odometer shows 50,000 miles. $3,500. Support the creation of our videos with your subscription. Number 2, Austin Healey Sprite, 1960 year of issue. It's not terribly fast. The brakes are nothing special. The seats have very little padding, and there are no roll-up windows. The trunk is so hard to get to that one reviewer suggested that the job be left to a trained monkey. Underneath the rear hinged hood is an original 948cc 43 HP engine. With 2 SUH one-side draft carbs. On the back is a 4-speed manual transmission. Connected to a 4.22 rear axle. While unable to be removed from its transport pallet to be inspected on our lift, we note heavy rusting as seen from the interior flooring or lack thereof. Number 3, Pontiac Firebird, 1974 year of issue. A project car that will need some work but has engine and transmission. Will trailer load. NEN mechanical. This Firebird was a Formula with a 400 V8 automatic transmission. Does not currently run .N exterior. The body has rust in rear quarters. It does have Formula hood and car is mostly complete. And interior. The interior needs complete restoration. Number 4, Chevrolet C50, 1972 year of issue. '72 Chevrolet grain truck. C50, titled 350 quarter speed, 97 miles, runs excellent. Yard drivable, no brakes. Was in the shed until 2 years ago. Has some rust out starting on the front fenders, etc. Very nice project truck, $3,500. Number 5, Buick Skylark, 1977 year of issue. You are looking at a 1977 Buick Skylark two-door sedan. This is a good running car that has just a touch of rust. New tires. $93,000 original miles. A 350 cubic inch Pontiac engine with automatic transmission and a new set of tires. It has been in storage several years. The interior does need a good cleaning. I feel that my price of $4,000 is very realistic for a classic vehicle like this one with the potential that this vehicle has. Number 6, Oldsmobile Toronado. (1978 year of issue). (1978 Oldsmobile Toronado Broman). Yellow rare car, front-wheel drive. Located in Miami, Florida. Front bumper is damaged, so price has been priced for quick sale. Number 7, MG 1100 1963 year of issue. The original 1100cc motor has a cracked block and will need to be replaced. All parts are present, and I have found several motors available over the last year online. The exterior is in decent overall condition. There is a little surface rust at the lower rear area. And a few dings that should be easy enough to rectify. The floors, boot, and inner rockers are solid. Though the trim has mostly been removed, all of it is present. Some in decent condition with other pieces that may need to be re-chromed or replaced. Number 8, Cadillac 4Doctor Sedan. 1961 year of issue. (1961) Cadillac four-door sedan. Has the original, to my knowledge, V8 engine. Engine is likely stuck. We have not tried starting it. Has some body damage on the driver's side. No title. Will be sold with a bill of sale only. Asking $2,500. Located in Thief River Falls, Minnesota. Number 9. Ford F-150, 1980 year of issue. '80 Ford F-151 half-ton pickup titled V8 Auto. (98K miles on it). It has been parked since 2013, but we have it starting, running, and driving again. Has old tires, etc. It has lower rust out in the cab corners and lower box, etc. Very original truck yet. $2,000. Number 10. Ford II Doctor 1959 year of issue. Two-door hardtop. No title. Sold with a bill of sale only, not running. Fairly complete car. It has rocker rust out. Very nice looking project car. A very pretty car. I will have it on wheels and rolling for you. $2,000. If you're interested in more vintage cars for sale, be sure to subscribe to the channel. You'll be helping us out a lot.